Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on MSI Thin A15. There are two ways of doing that and I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first one is, let me show you the keyboard, is by either pressing on Windows, Shift and S at the same time. Then it'll get to the screenshotting tool. Or you can also instead just simply press on the print screen key, which is here. So it is just based on your preference. So I'm just gonna click on the print screen key, but of course it's up to you. Then it should open the screenshotting tool, which it didn't actually, and I was expecting it to do, so let's try. Okay, so you actually cannot click on the print screen just alone. I mean, for some people it'll work, but for other ones it'll be FN and print screen at the same time. So these two keys, then they actually open the screenshotting tool. So now I have it opened and I'm gonna show you all of the options that it has. So it has the screenshotting and video recording tool. For video recording, there is another video on our channel, so if you want to see recording in details, then you can watch that. But here we have the screenshot, and for options like the rectangle, window, full screen or freeform, I'm gonna show you all of them. So the rectangle allows you to just draw on the screen where you want to screenshot. It'll show you this notification. You don't have to click on it if you don't need, because it'll be copied to your clipboard automatically and also saved to your screenshots folder. So whenever we go into the file explorer, then pictures, screenshots, we'll see our screenshot here. Then we can also do it another way by pressing on, by selecting the window option. So I'm just gonna open the file explorer, for example, then window, and you need to hover over the window that we want to screenshot and click on it. Then it'll only screenshot that window without the background. And this time I'm gonna click on the notification just to show you that you can actually draw on that screenshot by selecting the tool. First I'm gonna select the pen, mark something. You can also instead use a shape to mark something, or you can use a highlighter to highlight something else. So this is basically how you do it. And after editing, remember that it will not automatically be saved. So if you want to save it, you can either click on Save As or Copy, so you can paste it later. And that's how you use the snipping tool. Now if I go to the third option, it's gonna be full screen, so it'll just immediately take a screenshot of the full screen. Then the last thing is freeform, which I don't really understand the purpose of, but you can just draw the exact shape that you want to screenshot and it'll screenshot it in the exact shape drawn. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.